Hey guys, let's see how you can find the BitLocker recovery key for a Dell laptop. Okay, so as you can see, my Dell laptop is asking for the BitLocker recovery key if I try to repair or if I try to back up the files, right? So I have here another computer, right? Here I have my MacBook, so I can even use my MacBook to look for the key. So what I have to do here is just go to this website, account.microsoft.com. So I go online here and I look for my devices. Okay. So you need to have your Dell laptop registered with the Microsoft website. And here I can find my Dell laptop among my devices. And here I can see the details and look for the BitLocker data protection. So I click here, manage recovery keys. There we go. It's asking me to log in, so I can use my Touch ID, or you can use your password if you need to. So I'm just touching here and authenticates. And now it's just gonna show you my BitLocker recovery key. There we go, I have it. So basically now I can just use this one, come back here to my Dell laptop and use this BitLocker recovery key, okay? So I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next video.